In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change layout in Mozilla Thunderbird. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to switch between layouts and how to show or hide key panels so your inbox looks and works the way you prefer. First, open Mozilla Thunderbird so you're looking at your inbox. At the top right of the window, find the three horizontal lines icon, sometimes called the application or hamburger menu. Click that to open the main menu. From here, hover over or click the option labeled View. This is where Thunderbird keeps all the display and arrangement settings. Inside View, choose Layout. The Layout section is your control center for how panels and messages are arranged on screen. You'll see options you can check or uncheck. These switches turn parts of the interface on or off. For example, the folder pane controls the column that lists your accounts and folders on the left. If you uncheck it, that entire pane disappears to give more room to your messages. Check it again to bring it back. The message pane controls the reading or preview area where an email opens inside the main window. Unchecking it hides the preview so you can focus on the message list. Checking it restores the preview so you can read without opening a separate window. There's also the message list header. This is the bar above your list of emails that shows column titles like subject, from, and date, and lets you sort or adjust columns. If you hide it, you'll get a bit more space, but you'll lose those quick sorting controls until you turn it back on. Below those toggles, you'll find the layout styles: classic view, wide view, and vertical view. Classic view keeps things familiar. Folders on the left and on the right your message list at the top with the message preview below it stacked in 2 rows. Wide view emphasizes a broad reading area. The message list appears at the top and the preview below it, spanning more of the window so long messages are easier to read. Vertical view arranges everything in 3 side-by-side columns. Folders on the far left, message list in the middle, and the preview on the right. This is ideal if you have a wide monitor and want to see everything at once. As you click each option, Thunderbird updates immediately, so you can try them in real time and settle on what feels best. If something looks off, revisit layout and recheck the panels you need. That's all there is to it: simple, flexible, and tailored to your workflow.